Race TV, Shah Rukh Khan, often referred to as the King of Bollywood, is a global icon known not only for his extraordinary career in the Indian film industry but also for his philanthropic endeavors and social contributions. Born on 2 November 1965 in New Delhi, Khan rose from humble beginnings to become one of the most recognized and beloved figures in entertainment worldwide. Now, let's kick off an exciting journey through the remarkable evolution of Shah Rukh Khan's career, from his early days on Indian television in shows like Fauji, 1989, and Circus, 1989, to becoming one of the most charismatic and influential stars in global cinema, a rise that is nothing short of legendary. Shah Rukh Khan made his Bollywood debut in 1992 with Deewana, which was a major success and introduced his talent to the Indian audience. Throughout the 1990s and 2000s, SRK dominated the box office, becoming known for his portrayal of romantic heroes in films like Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, 1995, which ran for over 2 decades in theatres and is considered a cultural milestone, making him a global icon for Bollywood romance. Other iconic films include Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, 1998, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, 2001, and Devdas, 2002. He also demonstrated his versatility in darker roles in films like Bazigar, 1993, and Dar, 1993, where he played morally complex characters. SRK's career is defined by his ability to connect with the masses through relatable emotions and charm, earning him the title of King of Romance. His acting prowess has garnered him 14 Filmfare Awards, making him one of the most celebrated actors in the Indian film industry. Beyond romance, his roles in Chak De, India, 2007, where he played a hockey coach. In My Name is Khan, 2010, Shah Rukh Khan portrayed a man with Asperger's syndrome, tackling themes of Islamophobia and racism in the post-September 11 world. Off-screen, SRK himself faced racial profiling, being detained at US airports twice, once in 2012 and again in 2016, due to his surname. Shah Rukh Khan has been married to Gauri Khan since 1991, and they have 3 children, Aryan, Suhana, and Abram. Known for his deep devotion to his family, SRK frequently shares personal moments with fans on social media, offering glimpses into his life beyond the spotlight. Despite his immense stardom, he remains remarkably down-to-earth and is widely admired for his humility, sharp wit, and ability to connect with people from all walks of life. Beyond the silver screen, Shah Rukh Khan's influence extends into social causes. He has actively supported numerous charitable efforts, often under the radar, through his Mir Foundation, which focuses on helping acid attack survivors, providing medical and legal assistance, rehabilitation, and vocational training. SRK's support for education is also notable, as he has offered scholarships to deserving students, particularly women, to study abroad. He has also been involved with organizations promoting children's health and battling cancer. He was named as one of the world's most influential people by Time magazine and featured in international media for his charity work. In recognition of his philanthropy and commitment to social justice, SRK has received numerous national and international accolades. In 2005, SRK was awarded the prestigious Padma Shri, India's 4th highest civilian award, for his contributions to Indian cinema. In 2014, he has received the Ordre des Arts et des Lettres and the Legion of Honor from the French government, recognizing his contributions to cinema and his growing influence on the global stage. In 2018, he was awarded the Crystal Award at the World Economic Forum in Davos for his leadership in advocating for women and children's rights. After a brief hiatus from major hits, SRK returned in 2023 with Pathaan, which became a massive box office success, marking his comeback to Bollywood's top league. His comeback was widely celebrated in the media, and the film's success reaffirmed his status as the King of Bollywood. Shah Rukh Khan is the co-owner of the Kolkata Knight Riders (KKR), one of the most popular franchises in the Indian Premier League (IPL). Along with actress Juhi Chawla and her husband Jay Mehta, SRK has been associated with KKR since its inception in 2008. His involvement with the team has significantly contributed to KKR's popularity, with his charismatic presence often seen at matches cheering from the stands. KKR has won the IPL championship twice, in 2012 and 2014, and SRK's connection with the team goes beyond ownership. He is actively engaged with the players and fans, often celebrating victories in his signature style. His presence at KKR matches brings an extra level of excitement, and his association with the team has helped establish KKR as one of the most widely supported franchises in the IPL, blending sports and entertainment in India. Shah Rukh Khan's birthday celebrations at his residence, Mannat, have evolved into a grand annual event. Situated in Mumbai's upscale bandstand area, Mannat is more than just a home. It's an iconic landmark that regularly draws fans and tourists, particularly during major events like Eid and SRK's birthday. Every year on 2nd November, thousands of fans gather outside Mannat, hoping to catch a glimpse of SRK as he steps out onto his balcony to greet them, a gesture that has become legendary. Mannat stands as a symbol of SRK's remarkable success, and the birthday celebrations there take on a festive, almost pilgrimage-like quality, with fans traveling from across India and the world to honor him. SRK's sharp wit and humor, especially on social media platforms like Twitter, have helped him remain relevant and adored by fans globally. The Burj Khalifa has honored Shah Rukh Khan on several occasions, highlighting his global stardom. On October 2020, for his 55th birthday, the iconic skyscraper illuminated with a stunning display featuring the message "Happy Birthday to the King of Bollywood Shah Rukh Khan" along with his image. SRK, who was in Dubai at the time for the IPL, shared his excitement on social media, calling it the biggest and tallest screen in the world. The tradition continued on 2nd November 2021 and 2022 for his 56th and 57th birthdays also, with the Burj Khalifa lighting up, displaying visuals and the message "Happy Birthday Shah Rukh Khan." These recurring tributes reflect SRK's immense popularity, particularly in Dubai, where he serves as the brand ambassador for Dubai tourism, solidifying his status as a global icon and showcasing his far-reaching influence in the Middle East and beyond. Shah Rukh Khan's journey from a middle-class boy in Delhi to becoming the king of Bollywood serves as an inspiration to millions worldwide. Known for his incredible connection with fans across India, Europe, and the Middle East, SRK has created a legacy that transcends cinema. Beyond his illustrious film career, his unwavering dedication to social causes and global humanitarian efforts showcases his depth as a person. By bridging the worlds of entertainment and social activism through his philanthropy, global influence, and irresistible charm, SRK stands as a true icon whose impact will undoubtedly resonate for generations to come. Thank you for watching Race TV. We'd love to hear your thoughts and suggestions. Feel free to share any valuable insights or information about SRK that we might have missed in the video in the comments section below. Your feedback is always appreciated.